Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today, if you look at any food channel, any vlogging channel, there is one recipe that is around almost 60% channels are making a recipe. The name of the recipe is Dalgona Coffee. Nothing is special in this coffee. Today I make it with you very easily and you really feel it's a real Dalgona coffee recipe. For this I need instant coffee, sugar, chilled milk and hot water. Let's start. First of all, I take 2 spoons of instant coffee. I am using Nescafe coffee. It is British made and you can use any coffee you like. Now I need 2 spoons of granular sugar. Now we need hot water. This is hot water. I'm using around 2 spoons. Now I beat it with the help of a Now I separate some of the dark coffee into a cup separately and I use it for the garnishing. Now I put some more coffee and more sugar, 1 spoon of sugar, and I use 1 spoon of coffee too. Now let it blend it again. I am using an electrical machine for blending. You can do it with hand. Now look at the thickness. It is well beaten and is excellently beaten and the color is in front of you. Let it do the rest. Now I have chilled milk. I fill the glasses with chilled milk. Now I fill the milk in the glasses and the milk is chilled. Now I adding the Dalgona base on the top. Now I put on the one coffee and now I put the second color on the top. Look at the color, look at, wow, very nice. Excellent Dalgona coffee is ready. Very nice. Today I share with you how to make two color Dalgona coffee, and now I garnish it with some coffee flakes on the top. Very nice, and it's complete recipe. Today I share with you an excellent Dalgona coffee recipe. I also share with you some other coffee recipes too. Please enjoy and make your Dalgona too, and share your experiences with me on my Facebook, my Instagram, or in my comment box. I shall be there with you with another beautiful night recipe. Until that, see you. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.